Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today you see we have all these cars here. So if you're probably wondering what these are the Hot Wheels off-road set. So basically there are 5 cars you can get and you can collect all 5 cars. If you take a look, there's 5 cars out of 5, but I do not have all 5 cars. I only have 4 because take a look at that car. I didn't buy that one because I didn't really like it, so I just bought only these cars. So this is the off-road set. So let's just dig in and just take a look at the first car we got. It's called the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 13,000. But anyways, let's just pop it open. Ooh, it's a pretty big car though. Take a look at that. Okay, here is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. This car is just huge, so let's just throw it on here. Oh, let's throw it on because so we can take a look. So if we take a look at this car, it's a pretty big car. It also has a nice front tampo on the car, nice kind of brown rims to make it look like it's been driving in dirt. Some extra just some extra tires if the tires pop. I also really like the dirt. See the fake dirt on the car? If you take a look, see that fake dirt? And also I like all the tampos on the side of the car too. This car just looks pretty sick. I really like it. I also like the front grille too. Pretty cool. And it also says Unimog on the front, but you can't see it. It says number 300. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's just set our camera. So next car. Next car we are going to open is the 1967 Jeepster Cammando in red. So let's pop it open, guys. Oh, here it is. Let's just turn off our fan. Alright, we're back. So we just wanted to turn off my fan because yeah. Okay, here it is. Wow, look at this beauty. It's just so beautiful. Just look at that. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's throw it on. Let's take a look at it. Oh, a bit blurry. So alright, if you take a look at this car, it's got a very nice, kind of bright red. It also got some muddy tires too on it. It's also got some nice front headlight. Oh, that fell off. It also has some nice front headlight tampos on the car. If you take a look, pretty cool. It also says Irwin Motors. It also has some fake dirt on the side of the car. It also has some dirt, It also has a motorcycle at the back, which is a pretty cool detail of the car. I really do like the back of the car. Inside it's pretty big. I like the sunroof too. It also got a nice kind of blacked out on blacked out spot on the hood. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car anyway. So yeah. Whoop, my camera's weird today. Not usually what it's like, but anyways. Next car we're going to open is the Toyota Land Cruiser. Pop it open. Take a look. Yep. So yeah, let's just take a look at this car. And also, there we go. Much better. So if we take a look at this car, it's got a pretty nice green kind of color. On this car, kind of like a military army green with some nice, kind of brown wheels, for dirt wheels. It also has some some dirt on the side of it. A nice front bumper with some nice tampos. It says Toyota on it. The headlights are pretty detailed too. I also like the shape of this car because it's just it's really small at the front and really big at the back. It also has some nice kind of white lines going on the car. You can see that there's 2 brick things there. It also got a back window, and also it says Toyota on the back, which is pretty nice too. Has a little logo, some tampos on the back. Pretty cool. Pretty cool car, guys. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff, a lot of garbage. But anyways, this is gonna be our last car for the set. The 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Pretty cool. I really like this car. Wow, look at that. Just pop it open, guys, and before further we do. So yeah, let's just open it. Just oh wow, look at that. That is pretty clean. Oh yep. Let's throw it on here and let's take a closer look. So if we take a look at this car, it has some nice front headlight tampos. It's a little bit damaged, but it's okay. The car kind of reminds you of more got mirror. It's like a Land Rover, pretty cool. It also has some dirt on the side of it, nice dirt, kind of like brown wheels, nice tempos at the back where it says Land Rover. On the back of the car, it also has some cool, like little tiny windows at the sides. Nice kind of blacked out color. It's kind of cool. Really cool car. Nothing really much to say about this car. It's kind of like a pickup truck. It's got like the back of it. It's not really like a normal Range Rover, you know. It'll just be like this, you know. It's pretty cool. But anyways, it's like a pretty cool, you know, pretty cool car. Not bad. It also has this thing on the side of it. I don't know. This is what it's something. But anyways, don't got much to say about it. But yeah, let's just take a look at all the cars that we got. Land Rover. Oh, let's just turn this off. We got our Land Rover, got our Toyota, got our Jeep, and of course we got the Unimog at the back. And yeah, let's keep on, let's roll. Alrighty guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, hope you have a good day. Check out my other channel, Zamir Gaming 101. I play Roblox and stuff and just have fun. And also, yeah, have a good day. Bye. Alright, now if you gotta go. Boop, boop.